Hi everyone! Welcome to Straight Out Osaka. I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I show you how to make shimesaba no oshizushi. There are many different types of sushi in Japan. Tokyo sushi is nigiri, known as edomae sushi. Osaka sushi is typically hakozushi. This is a type of oshizushi in which the ingredients are placed in a mold with a sushi rice and pressed into a solid shape. There is a famous type of oshizushi called battera. This is made by layering shimesaba and shiroita kombu on top of sushi rice and pressing them in a wooden frame. Today, I'd like to make this pressed sushi in the style of battera. Alright, let's get started! Let's have a look at the ingredients. For more details, please see the recipe at the end of this video. First, prepare sushi vinegar. Pour 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half of teaspoon of salt and dissolve it. Now cut shiso leaves as thin as possible. Finely chop the pickled ginger. Place cooked rice in a sushioke or bowl. While the rice is hot, pour the sushi vinegar into the rice. Mix vertically in a cutting motion. Gently mix the rice without crushing the grains. Cool it down with the fan to room temperature. Now add shredded shiso and roasted sesame seed in the rice and mix. Cover with a damp cloth to prevent rice from drying. This is a pre-made shimesaba sold in a supermarket, but sometimes there is a bone in the middle, so touch it to make sure there is no bone. If there is a thin skin, peel it off slowly like this. This is the mold used for making oshizushi. If you don't have one, you can substitute a rectangular lunchbox. It is better to wet it with water and moisten it before use. Cut the tails so that the shimesaba can fit into the mold. Prepare tezu, which is vinegared water, to prevent sushi rice sticking to your hands. Place the shimesaba at the bottom, skin side down. This time, use 2 pieces of shimesaba, so place each piece to the edge. Put the cut tail in the corner. Spread the tororo kombu over the shimesaba. Wet hands before working with sushi rice. Put the sushi rice evenly on top of the tororo kombu. Put less of the sushi rice here because I will add some more later on. Place the chopped pickled ginger on the sushi rice. Top with the sushi rice evenly. place the top piece of the mold and press down on the rice firmly. Rotate 180 degrees and press down again firmly. Repeat this rotate another few times. This is to ensure that the weight is applied evenly throughout. Flip the mold and drop it lightly. Now remove the mold carefully. Use a wet knife to remove the sushi from the mold. It is delicious as it is, but it tastes even better seared. Cut the oshizushi in half and cut each half into 3 pieces. It is better to wipe the knife with a wet cloth each time you cut. Let's serve it up on the plate. Oshizushi is an easy sushi to make, even for those who are not good at making sushi rolls. You can also use salmon, snapper, or prawns to make a colorful and beautiful oshizushi. It's not that hard, so give it a go!
いただきます。
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!